all that you should know. I've been going solo. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, freak the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want. Hear me now. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
All right, so Marcel and I are going to be hiking to the Union Mine today, which is up in the Porcupine Mountains. It's unfortunate though because the roads are apparently closed because they're snowmobile trails up here. Even though nobody's snowmobiling, there's no snow. We'll see if we can hike down the road and see what we can see at the Union Mine. Marcelin just drained his eye out. He had a little residue inside.
Some mine dust.
A little bit of little souvenir. I have a feeling we're going to get to the end of this hike and we're going to be really glad to see this turn. Come back to the car. Hopefully we can find it. According to what we were seeing online, there should be some quote-unquote tunnels, as the legend goes.
We'll see what other people call tunnels.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, I feel like what other people call tunnels, we would call, like, I don't know, just insane chasms or something. We find holes in the ground and we're like, dude, it's a tunnel. If I can fit, it's a tunnel. Road's closed, buddy.
So you said you saw the you saw a photo of the entrance. Is it like an adit, like in the face of something, or is it more like a shaft?
It looks like an adit in the face of like a mountain. Like it looks like an adit.
All right.
Into the side.
Was it surrounded by a lot of trees, or?
Yeah, and it looked. Gosh, I wish I could remember. I just remember the tunnel entrance being relatively large, and it was on the other side because we hiked that Union Trail, which is well marked, and it's like the interpretive trail, which there is remnants. There's like, it's kind of cool in the river. There's like cuts into the rock in there where they used to have like an old water wheel that would actually, that's what they used to power their mine equipment.
That's cool.
And the cuts are still in the river where they used to have the foundation for that. And then there was like the top of a old shaft that you could see, but it was all filled with mud, and like, because it was right at the bank of the river. And that was all we found on that side. But on the other side, that's where apparently this adit is. All right, we finally found it after hiking for 20 minutes.
Mine trail.
Union Mine Trail. All right, we'll keep our eyes peeled for that adit.
What's that?
Thank you. And I have reached the point where I do not care if my shoes get wet.
This is taking us backward.
Yeah. Well, we want to be closer to the river. We can always go off trail if something catches our fancy. Here's a cut.
Some signage.
Look at this old shaft. The gravity stamp mill at the Union Mine used a row of cast iron hammers, each weighing 400 to 500 pounds to pulverize the copper ore. The Union Mine was unprofitable even though it produced a massive copper weighing over 50 pounds. That's like nothing. The store foundations nearby. The stone foundations nearby marked the location of the mine's stamp mill, which first operated in 1865. Yeah. You know that.
Trail, but it feels like there was stuff.
Yeah. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, stone structures right there. Dude, the river looks really cool. You should come over here. Wow, look at that. It's all like partially covered. That is cool. Marcellin's taking the high ground over there, and I'm be following the river. See if we can't find that adit. It is very slippery here. Do not want to fall down. That is really cool. Anything over there? All right. A lot of what? Sticks? No. I just wanted to see what that big old black thing was. It looks like just an uprooted tree. Yeah, I say we keep following the trail. I think that's gonna be our best bet. You seen anything cool over there?
No, not really.
All right, I'm gonna go back to the trail. Look at that river. That is really pretty. Boy, that's some steep stuff. That tree fell in there. That's cool. How you doing? The trail goes down over here. The trail goes down towards the river right here. There's potentially something across the river.
That's frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, we can always trace our way back if we do see something and go from the road. Oh, what's that back there? Just a log. So there's a second marker for the mine on the mine app.
Yeah.
Up further. So there's one back there, and then there's one up there. You see, there's like almost looks like a shafting or something over in there. Stuff is slippery. That's cool. Oh, somebody's undies. Dude, there might be something down there. I think I see something. Look at that, dude. Do you see that down there? Dang, Nabbit, we're on the wrong side. We gotta find a way to cross.
Is that something?
I don't know. It looks like it could be. Maybe not. Right? Yeah, we can't cross anywhere near here. Unless wanted to trust that, I don't. Dang it. Maybe there's a bridge. I don't really think, that doesn't look like it would be much, but it looks like it was something, you know?
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't look like anything that we could really get into, but it looks like something. Am I recording? Yeah. Good. Thanks. There's a trail right here.
That's what I was on earlier.
Oh, really? Oh, you were on that?
Yeah.
Well, we'll look on the mine app to see where we're at. There's something dark over there. You see that through the trees? Right over there.
Yeah.
That looks interesting. It also looks like there's like a similar trail over there.
I see a point on over the peak.
Oh, nice. The Nonsuch Road. The trail crosses the first road in the Porcupine Mountains, cleared in 1846 by Ojibwe natives working for the Union Mine. Became known as the Nonsuch Road. That's cool. Good job, natives.
The right looks a lot block here.
Man, I don't even know where to go from here. That does look really good, but also... Dude, there's a bridge over there.
There is?
Yeah. Do you want to go down this trail first and come back?
I do, but I typically make the wrong choice in these junctions.
No. I usually choose the point that's going to take us the longest. I mean, regardless, I do want to see what's up here. I want to go down both, so...
I'm not seeing a lot, I'll be honest.
Well... What's that over there? Is that an old picnic table?
Looks like it.
I think this is a loop.
Yeah.
That's an old picnic table. Yeah, I think this is part of the loop. I think we do want to continue down this way.
Let's do it. I'm just gonna go on this side.
Yeah.
It would have been close to the stamp mode, wouldn't it?
It might have been. This is blocked off. Huh. This doesn't look good. Okay, so we're gonna hike up the other side of the river because that's where the actual mine marker is on our app here. So that necessitates us trompsing. Oh, wait, no, I'm an idiot. It's not on the side. Ooh, there's some topography back here. Man, I wish I could load up that picture, dude. Jeez. Sugar maple. Good to know. Huh. This doesn't feel great. Where would that? Man, I should have loaded up that thing. I mean, there must be other mine things back here if the trail is going this way. Here's a sign. Random cabin back here. Man, I really wish I could load up that picture. Here's some relative topography. Where would that added also when in the picture, it looked like it was not near the river. Like there was no river in the picture. It looked like it was like flat ground and it went into the side of a mountain, you know?
Yeah.
So like...
But, see, this looks like there used to be water running down.
Yeah.
The sign.
Yeah, right. Well, and this is still part of the trail, so... I don't know. Man, it just doesn't look like there'd be anything. I wonder who owns that. Here's some rock.
The cabin is pretty close to owning the Union Mine.
Yeah. No kidding. I mean, here's some old rock. Oh, here's some stuff up here. See that rock pile?
Is the path curve right?
It should.
Yeah?
Yeah, we might. Boy, I'm getting hot. Oh.
We're working our way further away, don't
The road is over there. So we're getting further away from the river. Well, yeah, we're kind of getting further away from the car, but this should loop back around to connect. Man, it's a pretty solid ridge over there. Darker forest.
Mm-hmm.
You know, for like, I also hear another water. Whoa. Ooh, now we're getting into something. Hear that water, dude? This is feeling good. I'm not gonna lie. This just took a turn, dude. There's a cage.
What?
There's a cage. Oh, dude. Dude. Different river?
Yeah, 100%. Maybe they join up later.
Oh wow, look at that's like. Oh.
Doesn't look the best in there.
You think there's an adit down there?
That's cool.
That is. The Boston and North American Mining Company were sinking this shaft at the time that Spaulding and his crew were developing the Union Mine.
I feel like I've heard the name Spaulding before.
A drill weighing 10 pounds fell from the top of the shaft 20 feet and struck me on the arm, narrowly missing my head. Well, this is... Yeah, that's all plugged up. Wonder if there's a adit down near the base.
I'm not seeing much over here.
Man, this is steep. Does the trail continue? Look at that over there. It doesn't really, well. That looks like waste rock, dude.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I think this ends too. Look at this. This is like,
They taper together.
yeah. I wish we could see this from the other side. I almost want to get to the other side. That looks good over there. Dude, that looks like they drew something out of there. That's a cool shaft. It's crazy how close to the river it is.
Yeah.
You want to go down there?
Yeah?
Yeah,
You told me not to bring the ropes.
I did. There ain't no way there's anything down there.
No, it's so close to the river.
Right. I do actually have a rope in my backpack.
I don't feel like going down there. I'll spot you if you want.
I don't want to. That doesn't seem like...
Steep grade. Yeah.
I wonder if there's a adit down there, dude.
Face.
Yeah.
Let's get around, see if we can get around to the other side, or at least wrap around.
Yeah, like if we can see down. Oh. No dice.
That had me to sit down.
Yeah, it's good. What?
It's frustrating.
Yeah, this is. Wish I could find that picture. Wish I had a little reception just to pull her up. It's kind of difficult navigating too.
Put it on our mine.
Yeah, I did.
I had reception earlier.
Really? I see the row. Really? Pull up the mine app. Find the Union Mine.
Offline maps.